Moan about. To complain constantly. She moans about everything, even when she gets what she wants. Cling to. To be overly dependent on someone. She clings to her boyfriend like she can't live without him. Backstab. To betray someone behind their back. She backstabbed her best friend just to get closer to her crush. Dumb down. To make something seem simpler or less smart. She dumps down her personality just to impress guys. Barge in. To interrupt or enter without permission. She barged in on our conversation like it was her business. Fish for. To try too hard to get compliments. She's always fishing for attention by pretending to be sad. Flake out. To cancel plans often or not show up. She flaked out on our movie night and didn't even text me. Freak on. To suddenly get mad at someone. She freaked on me just because I didn't reply fast enough. Rub in. To remind someone of their failure in a rude way. She loves rubbing in the fact that she got a better job than me. Sell out. To betray her own values for personal gain. She totally sold out just to fit in with the popular girls. Pass off. To pretend to be something she's not. She tries to pass off as rich, but we all know she's faking it. Talk smack. To say bad things about people behind their back. She talks smack about everyone, but acts innocent in front of them. Lash out at. To attack someone emotionally or physically. She lashed out at her friend just because she got a little criticism. Blow off. To ignore or cancel plans with someone. She blew me off last minute and went out with someone else. Brag about. To talk too much about achievements to impress people. She won't stop bragging about her expensive new bag. Break down. To become very emotional and cry. She broke down in tears just because someone criticized her dress. Butter up. To be overly nice to get something in return. She's just buttering up the manager to get a promotion. Butt in. To interrupt a conversation rudely. She always butts in when we're talking, like we asked for her opinion. Call off. To cancel something last minute. She called off our plans at the last second again. Check out. To stare at someone in an inappropriate way. She checks out every guy she meets, even when they're with someone else. Cut down. To criticize or insult someone. She always cuts people down just to feel better about herself. Fall for. To believe a lie or get tricked. She keeps falling for the same fake compliments. Feed off. To take advantage of someone's emotions. She feeds off drama like it's her favorite thing in the world. Freeze out. To ignore or exclude someone on purpose. She froze me out of the group after I disagreed with her. Get back at. To take revenge on someone. She only dated his friend to get back at him. Go behind someone's back. To do something secretly and betray trust. She went behind my back and spread lies about me. Hang on to. To hold on to something or someone too much. She hangs on to past arguments and never lets things go. Let down. To disappoint someone. She let me down again by not keeping her promise. Make up. To lie or create fake stories. She makes up drama just to stay relevant. Be full of it. To constantly lie or exaggerate. She's always full of it, acting like she knows everything. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.